How to post jobs, reviewing applicants, and manage your hiring process using JobStreet. If you're a business owner or HR staff looking to recruit new talent, JobStreet provides a simple platform that connects you with thousands of job seekers. To begin, go to the JobStreet website and click on the option that says For Employers at the top of the page. This will take you to the employer portal where you can either log into an existing account or sign up for a new one. If you're registering for the first time, you'll need to provide your company name, business email, contact number, and a few details about your organization. Once your account is verified, you'll gain access to the JobStreet employer dashboard. Next, it's time to create your first job post. On the dashboard, click Post a Job Ad and fill out all the required information. You'll need to enter the job title, role description, location, and salary range. Make sure the details are accurate and clear since well-written listings attract better candidates. You can also include qualifications, responsibilities, and any specific requirements for the position. After filling everything out, choose the ad type depending on how many applicants you want to reach. Standard listings work fine for most, but premium ads are shown to more people. Once your job post is ready, click Submit for review. JobStreet checks all postings before they go live to ensure they meet their guidelines. This process usually takes a few hours. When approved, your job ad will appear on the platform and applicants can start submitting their resumes directly through JobStreet. Now, to review candidates, go back to your employer dashboard and click Manage Job Ads. You'll see a list of all your active posts along with the number of applicants. Select a job listing to view applications. You can sort, filter, or shortlist candidates based on their experience, education, and skills. Each applicant's resume can be opened directly on the site, and you can mark them as shortlisted, interviewed, or not suitable. If you found someone you're interested in, use JobStreet's messaging feature to contact them directly. You can schedule interviews, send updates, or request additional information right from the platform. This keeps all your communication in one place and makes tracking the hiring process much easier. Finally, once you've chosen your candidate, update the job post status to closed so new applications stop coming in. You can then download applicant data or keep it for future openings. JobStreet also provides analytics showing how many people viewed or applied for your post, helping improve future listings. And that's how you use JobStreet as an employer, from setting up your account and posting your job ad to managing candidates and closing your hire. It's a complete system designed to simplify recruitment and help you find the right people faster.